My name is Jackie Hokemawith. It was exciting and it was fun to work with the students, the colleagues. So, and when you prepare a menu and you feel insecure about stuff, it's good to know like each student what their strengths are, and that's what I used to prepare the menu we executed. I'm indigenous, so I integrated some bison and some salmon because it's our traditional food. And we were asked to do a global cuisine, and I was attracted to Moroccan because of its bright colors. And also when I cook, I'm trying to tell a story. I'm a storyteller. I'm a healer and activist. And so I base my personal experiences in how I shape and form my menu. And it's a story about a hardship, about healing, you know, about surviving a loss from somebody, from suicide, you know, and how it created a trauma, and very deep impact in the community. It's like I feel that I learned a lot, and also it was interesting in the theory. I found it was challenging. I feel appreciated, I feel acknowledged. So this kind of support, like it helps you to keep at it when you know you're being supported. So I think that's how I got to be here today to complete the program, because of the support I got from the owner, chatting. It's like an open door. I can go into her office and talk to her. That's what's nice about it. And thank you again.
Thank you.